Good morning, everyone. Today, Team 5 is going to present on virtual organizations and the problems related to it, as well as recommendations would be given at the end and advantages and disadvantages related to it. So this is our table of content. First, we'll go through summary, problem analysis. Then each problem with its symptoms will be discussed. And then recommendation for each problem would be given afterwards. So the first one is summary of the case. Our case study is number 9 on virtual organization. The name of the company is New School Groups, established in Toronto, Canada, and has 2 offices in Berlin, Germany, and Bangalore, India. Out of the problems that exist in the organization, we have analysis of 3 root problems, which majorly affects the company. We'll discuss the recommendation and pros and cons related to it in further slides. So the first problem which we discovered is that the employees do not meet personally with each other. So problem of virtual environment in the organization persists. And the symptoms related to it is that employees can't meet face to face with each other, because of which members feel disconnected. This reason hampers the performance of employees. Remote working affects the work life negatively as well, because of which company cannot achieve its goals. Now, recommendation for the problem number 1. So the first recommendation we formulated is that organization can go for local talent, which is more suitable for the position of job role. And the benefits related to it is that it eliminates communication barrier and it fulfills the job role that the company was searching for, and also builds good relations as well as interaction in person with other employees. And the cons related to it are that organization may not be able to find the exact replacement because it looked for that person in other countries as well as in other regions. That is why that potential may not be in the person that is hired locally. And the person may also lack global skills as well as the skill to make connection with different countries. So the second recommendation that we think would be apt for the organization is that according to the concept of enhancing employee well-being at work, which says that it's important to build a team for better results. So transferring employees from Berlin as well as from Bangalore to Toronto, where the main office exists, would benefit the organization by maintaining the team cohesion, and also the talent would be utilized in a better manner because they are going to work under the supervision of the leader, as well as it would eliminate communication barrier which they had when they were in different regions, and they would gain new knowledge as well. And the cons related to it is that they would have to leave their loved ones and have to come to another country, and that procedure would also be expensive. Language barrier would persist because they are coming from different countries where they speak different languages, and people coming from South India especially would face extreme weather in Canada, as most of the time in Canada the weather is cold. So now the next problem is that the leadership quality is lacking in New School company. And according to the behavioral theory of leadership, company did not give the right training to the employees to have a position of good leader to lead the company. And the symptoms related to it is that leaders are not giving employees the feedback as well as things to achieve the goals. Decision-making power is not given to subordinates, and there are also not involved in discussions which make them think that the managers are arrogant. And all of this leads to reason of conflict. Now, the recommendation for this particular problem is that firstly, we provide training to leaders on how to support employees with goal setting. Also, personality tests can help to find the qualities to become a good leader. And the pros related to it is that it resolves all the conflicts between the employees, build a positive environment and culture in the organization, and the decision making and trust issues is also resolved in the organization. The cons that are related to this recommendation is that it lacks knowledge and focus, and the performance team cannot be that high, uh, that cannot be built in high, and they lack the collaborated environment. So this would also lead to poor performance and decreasing reputation. Now, the second recommendation that we think is beneficial for the organization is that, according to the two-factor theory, which states that employees should be rewarded with incentives and gifts if they perform well, and also they should be given feedback so that they can feel motivated, has benefits that it increases job satisfaction and it improves the motivation of the employee, as well as it boosts the confidence and morale of the employee. So overall, it all indicates the growth of the organization, towards the growth of the organization, and the organization can achieve its profit goals. So the cons related to this recommendation is that some employees may have job dissatisfaction and decrease in concentration, and some employees may not be rewarded often, so they may have a factor of jealousy and may conflict with other employees or managers. So now the next problem would be explained by Anjali, and the symptoms as well as recommendations related to it as well.
Thank you, Yash, for handing me the charge. So the third problem that we had encountered in our case study is about virtual environment of the organization. In this, the people come from different backgrounds and they have different expertise. The symptoms of this problem are that there would be language barrier that occurs because the people come from different countries with different backgrounds. There is also a long distance in workplace, which is leading to no face-to-face meetings. Ultimately, this is also resulting in increase in communication gap between all the employees. Also, this is further leading to lack of 8 steps in the process of communication. Because of this, there also exists poor coordination among the employees, poor communication, and also increase in the stress level as the work is being outsourced. What we recommend for this problem is that the school should create and enforce policies related to communication. Also, the sessions or the trainings should be conducted to help employees in building relations with their co-members, which will help in effective communication. The advantages of doing so will be that the language barrier will be mitigated, decision making will be timely, and relationships will improve ultimately. The cons that may take place will be that the semantic barriers will occur, that will subsequently lead to negative work culture. The second recommendation for this problem is that the seminars must be organized to make employees aware of the work culture of the organization. Due to this, there would be a positive impact on the company, that there would be coordination among the employees, which will lead to better teamwork and expansion of business in future. On the other side, everything comes with a negative impact as well. The company may fail to survive in the long run, and chances of workplace harassment and discrimination may also increase. The final recommendations that we would like to give at the end of our case study would be 3. The first being that the success of any organization depends on the motivation of employees. So the primary goal of the new school grooves must be to satisfy their employees who can work for the upliftment of the company. Secondly, the employees must be transferred within the offices that are situated in different countries, as this would help in reducing communication gap among them. And furthermore, the talent level would remain the same and no compromise would be made based on the job role. The final recommendation which we suggest from our side would be to assist the members of the team to visualize their responsibilities by keeping a check on all the team members' development, inquiring about their problems, and overcoming their queries on frequent basis will help in resolving the organization's problems. And with these recommendations, I come to the end of this presentation. And on everyone's behalf, I thank you.